top 3 apps to play games and earn money in Australia. A lot of people choose the app with the biggest reward promise and assume that is the best option. That usually backfires. In Australia, the better choice is often the app that gives you a clearer path from playtime to redemption, because reward type, country support, and payout friction can change the experience more than the headline claim. That is why one app on this list looks exciting but feels broader than gaming, another feels much more built for players but has a regional rewards catch, and the winner stands out for one reason that matters more than most people expect once the first excitement wears off.
What actually makes an app worth using?
For Australia, the smartest comparison is not just who lets you play games, it is who supports Australian users, what kind of rewards you can actually redeem, and how quickly the platform says withdrawals or rewards are processed. Some apps are stronger for true cash options, others are better if you want a more game-first experience and do not mind gift cards instead of direct money. That changes the ranking fast. A platform can be popular globally and still feel awkward locally if rewards are slower, more limited, or less flexible than they first appear. The best app is usually the one that keeps the gap between earning and using your reward as small as possible. Option 3, Swagbucks for mixed earning. Swagbucks takes the third spot because it gives Australians a broad rewards app, not just a gaming app. Its official pages say eligible residents in Australia can redeem rewards, and Swagbucks also says members can earn through mobile games and redeem for rewards that include PayPal, cash. That makes it useful if you want games, plus other ways to build rewards. The honest catch is that gaming is only one part of the platform. Swagbucks is stronger if you like variety, but weaker if your main goal is a cleaner game-first flow. That is why it makes the list, but does not lead it. Option 2, Missed Play for a true gaming feel. Missed Play moves up because it feels more like a dedicated gaming rewards app. Its main site says you earn points by playing games and redeem them for rewards, and it highlights options like gift cards, PayPal, and Visa, while also noting that gift cards vary by region. Missed Play support materials also show Australia among the countries where parts of the program are available. That is exactly why it stops at number 2. Missed Play is excellent if you want a stronger play-first experience, but the regional variation matters. It also has device differences across versions, which means the experience is not always as universal as people assume at first glance. Option 1, Free Cash for the easiest payout flexibility. For most people in Australia, free cash stands out as the strongest overall option. Its official site says users can get paid for games, surveys, apps, and tasks, and its support pages say Australia is included for PayPal cash outs. Free Cash also says that with most options, including PayPal and gift cards, withdrawals are processed instantly. There is still one honest limit. Free Cash says the first cash out minimum can vary by region, often between $5 and $20, but that is also what resolves the whole rank. The app that usually wins is not the one that sounds biggest. It is the one that gives you the most flexible redemption path once you have actually earned something. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. The app that fits real playtime. So the best choice depends on what you want from gaming in Australia. Swagbucks works better if you want games plus other earning methods. Missed Play is stronger if you want a more dedicated gaming experience. But Free Cash is the best overall pick because it combines game offers with clearer payout flexibility for Australian users, and that is usually the part that decides whether an app feels worth opening again tomorrow. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.